Together, Chris and Zand make $201 an hour. Zand makes $9 more an hour. What is the minimum number of hours they each have to work to have the same amount of money made from their jobs? Okay, so Zand makes 9 more an hour, and together they make $201. We know how to calculate that. 201 minus 1 is 200. 200 over 2 is 100. What? You don't know why I'm doing this? You think this is wrong? Well, I'll show you why I'm right. So let's use C for Chris and X for Zand. So here's the thing. Zand makes $9 more an hour, and together they make $201 an hour. Excuse me, just clearing my throat. So here's the thing. 2C, C is Chris, plus 9. 2C plus 9 is C plus X. And here's how I know that 2C plus 9 is C plus X. See, 2C plus 9, that's the same thing as C plus 9, which is C plus X. This shows that X is the same thing as C plus 9, which is true. Zand makes $9 more an hour than Chris does. So 2C plus 9 equals C plus X. So then, 201 minus, or actually we shouldn't go to 1, we should go to 9, equals 192. 102 over 192 is 9, 18, 1, 2, 6. So Chris makes $96 an hour, and Zand makes 96 plus 9 is 100. Zand makes $105 an hour. So, and it's asking what is the minimum number of hours they each have to work to have the same amount of money made from their jobs. So it's basically asking for the least common multiple of 96 and 105. Well, we know how to find that. So we'll find that. So, all we have to do is list the prime factorization of 96 and 105. 248. Actually, I should do it a little smaller so I don't run out of room. This would be 2 and 24. This would be 2, 12. 2, 6, 2, and 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then 105. 335, 5, 7. 3 times 5 times 7. Notice they both have a common prime factor of 3. So, all we need to do is, in order to be divisible by 105, it needs to have a 3, 5, and 7. And in order to be divisible by 96, it needs to have 5 2s and a 3. So, then, here, it needs a 3, 5, and a 7, and it already has a 3, so now we just need to do a 5 and a 7. So we need to multiply 96 by 35. We could just multiply 105 by 32 because 3, 5, and 7, we already have the 3, we just need 5 2s. But I like to multiply two two-digit numbers together because it means I can use the distributive property. 90 plus 6, 30 plus 5. Wait a minute. I just realized something. We already know the minimum number of hours they each have to work because we found that the least common multiple of 96 and 105 is 96 times 35 or 105 times 32. And we just give them each to the person. So that means Chris makes... Oh, no. Chris has to work 35 hours because it's 96 times 35 and 105 times 32, and Chris makes $96 an hour. 35 hours, and Zand has to work 32 hours, and that's the answer.